Hey Randy, this is Bradley over here at Toyota of Dallas, and behind me is the 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium that you inquired about. It is a beautiful metallic gray with TRD wheels. Here's a little walk around of the vehicle so you can get an idea of what it looks like. This specific model is four-wheel drive. On the interior, it's got Soft-Tech leather trim seats, integrated backup camera with Sirius XM radio and Bluetooth, and a sunroof. If you have any questions, my contact information is below. Please reach out. I'd love to give you the opportunity to take this vehicle out for a spin. Again, my name is Bradley over here at Toyota of Dallas. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.